Hey YouTube, Jason here again with Day Trading Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. So today we're going to discuss value area high and low. Okay, so we'll start off with these are daily 5-day 5-minute chart with daily value areas. The yellow lines are the value area high, value area low, and then the white line here is the point of control. Over on the bigger side we have value area high, value area low, and then the point of control. So what exactly is the value area high and low, and how should you perceive it and look for trade setups with being able to trade them? So in the simplest form, the easiest way to look at them as it's where 70% of all the volume that is traded on either a time or a chart, whatever time frame you're looking at, 70% of all the volume is traded within this area. Okay, so what that means is from high to low, all the volume from all these days have traded within this entire range, but 70% of all the volume has actually traded within this range right here. Okay, and then the most volume, which would be the high volume node, is traded right here. So this is where the fairest price to do business is, right? That's where price is accepted. As you could see, the next high volume node would be here, and then the third one would be probably up here. So if price actually started to rally and we kind of paused up around this level, then we had more contracts traded there, you would probably see this shift all the way back up here. Now, remember, tomorrow this day falls off, so a lot of this volume up here will be missing tomorrow, right? Because we'll have the next day. So it's always changing on certain charts like this, right? Because you have one day fall off and then today's new current price action. But the best way to use value area high and low is think of them as support and resistance levels. Think about this, right? This is all the price action from day one. Bounce up and down, and we kind of bounce, right? We reverse, come back down. Now, these levels are always shifting depending on what price is doing. So, with that being said, day closes, we gap lower, right? The following day, and look where we rally all the way up to, right just below the value area low, right? So this actually became a resistance level. Then we kind of come back down, we make price action, we close, gap lower, right? Kind of make a price action, there's really nothing to do, and then the following day we gap lower again, and look, we kind of rally. If you look at the very first rally, we came right to the value area low, and then we reversed a little bit. We could see that based on this little red candle here, right? So price kind of backed away from it. Then we kind of went up higher, right? And then look at this value, the point of control. If you look at this candle right here, this candle high matched up exactly with the value or the point of control, right? So then if we look at as price kept going up, it came up near the value area high but never actually reached it. But price kind of reversed. Again, it's not a perfect science. It doesn't mean it's going to go exactly to and stop. Okay, it could come up short, it could touch, or it could go through it a little bit, and then usually you'll get some back and fill. So here, if we look at yesterday's price action, right, value area high and low. Okay, and then if you kind of look, we came down, and right here on this candle, I could tell that we bounced off it, because what did price do? We kind of made the low, right? Came down, bounced, because we went lower, bounced here, price bounced up. Okay, so this acted as a support level on yesterday's value area low, and so on. So now we kind of have a low here. As I'm filming this, this is live in the market today, and as you could see, prices kind of came down, made a low, reverse. Well, 70% of all the volumes here. Well, if we actually kept rallying and came up here, then these levels might shift here, the point of control might shift up here, and then this might shift up here. It's always dynamic, it's always moving. But chances are, if we did start to rally and keep going up here, you could probably look at confluence, two levels, value area low from yesterday, value area high from today, and maybe look for a quick little short trade. So in essence, this is what value area high and low is, and you could just kind of use on the bigger picture these levels for this chart. If we start to rally all the way up here, look for a potential pullback, right? A pause. If we came lower, watch right here, which is also a gap fill, confluence, right? Watch for price to actually come down and look for potential bounce here. So I hope this helps. What I'll do is I'll leave this chart down below in the comments. And I hope you guys like all these market profile charts and all that. And as always, thank you for watching. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.